Hello everyone. Gradient descent is an optimizer algorithm used to adjust the parameters. In case of linear regression, our parameters are the theta values. In order to adjust some specific parameter, the formula will look something like this. Theta new equal to theta old minus alpha times loss with respect to the theta. And here, this particular derivative will denote the slope of the curve. Okay. And this alpha is called as learning rate, or this can also be called as hyperparameter. What are hyperparameters? Hyperparameters are the variables adjusted by us. So let's try to see how the graph between loss and some particular theta will look like. This is the theta optimal value. At theta optimal value, we'll be having the minimum loss. Initially, my theta value can be anything. Like let's say my initial theta is this much and the corresponding loss is this much, which is very high when compared to this minimum loss. This theta value should be adjusted in such a way that it moves towards the theta optimal. That movement of theta will be signified by this particular slope. So if you see, the slope at this particular point will be negative. That is the reason it will add something to the previous theta value, and then it will move towards the theta optimal. This is the working of this particular gradient descent. And similarly, let's say my initial theta value is on the other side. Like let's say this is my initial theta value, then the corresponding loss will be this much, which is also very high when compared to the minimum loss. Now at this point, the slope will be positive. Okay, as this is positive, we are minusing something from the initial theta value. So obviously, if we minus this value, it will move towards the theta optimal. In this way, our gradient descent will work. Basically, slowly, our loss will reduce along with theta, and it will go to the theta optimal. Similarly, if we are on this side, it will slowly reduce, and it will move to the theta optimal. Our parameters, in order to adjust their values to theta optimal, the time taken is called as convergence time. So this is about gradient descent. If you want more details, you can check out the link video. Through that, you will be getting more details about this particular gradient descent.